Go, Kingston, go.
What is it?
Oh, wrapping paper.
What is it? Diego!
What is it, Kingston? Diego?
Here, rip down here. Rip, right here.
What's it, Kingston?
Rip.
Diego what? What is it? Look at the picture.
This side.
Show Daddy. What is it, sweetie?
There.
Daddy gonna open it for you?
Kingston, look at the picture on the front. Look at the picture. What's the little boy got? What is it? A tricycle? Do you think that might be what's in the box? Yeah?
Ask Daddy to help open it.
Diego.
Help open for you.
Open. It's probably assembly required.
Yeah, probably.